My name is Tanvi, and we are going to have a conversation about how to have a conversation with others about your anxiety. In the last 8 years of having anxiety and struggling with it, there are so many things that I just did not understand. The first is what is happening to me. Because in Marathi, I would say Mala kasatari hota hai. It means like something is happening to me, but I cannot actually find the language to tell you exactly what is happening. And that made me realize that how, as children or as teenagers, the vocabulary for anxiety has just been missing in our culture, in our context, in our curriculum, in our environment, and in our ecosystem. And over the past 8 years, I have developed a more robust vocabulary for talking about my anxiety. And the goal of this is actually to be able to connect with other people, to be able to explain to somebody who is not in my body what is happening to me so that they understand and not take my actions personally. Of course, this comes at the cost of taking complete responsibility for my actions. There are two things that stood out very clearly to me in this whole process. One is that we do not have the vocabulary to understand each other for anxiety. Two, because of that, we have never really developed the skills to be understood by ourselves. And three is unless and until we actually communicate to somebody, people aren't really going to understand what has happened and how is it that they can help. Let me tell you this, fundamentally, people really want to help. The only problem is that they don't know how to. And when they don't know how to, they can't. They don't want to because nobody likes to set themselves for failure. I hope by the end of this video, you understand the vocabulary that you can use to talk to others. Because another thing is that in therapy, we focus so much on communicating this to only like ourselves or people important to us. But the whole movement has to be a little more broader and contextual to that. Not only like what pop culture tells us, but for us to be able to articulate exactly how we need to be helped, understood, and be a part of the communities that we are in.